My Avanti wine fridge is making a loud moaning noise.
What's the make and model of the fridge? And can you guesstimate how old is it?
Approximately 8 years old, Avanti, not sure what model. Can I send you a picture?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If I can.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Can you look inside of the door area for the model number for me? Does it seem to be a noise coming from the back like a fan or something?
WC1500's refrigerator runs for about 5 minutes, then makes a loud intermittent moaning noise that seems to come from in the fridge, cannot localize it to the back, does not seem to be a fan noise.
Well, the only things that would make a moaning noise would be the fan or the compressor. In order to narrow it down though, we have to figure out where it's coming from. Are you able to take the unit out and remove the backing?
But it is past midnight, can we resume this tomorrow afternoon? Or, can you send me a few steps to do in a row, such as instructions on fan cleaning so I can eliminate one of the possibilities?
Well, once you remove the back, we will have to go from there. If there is dust buildup, of course, that will need to be removed. Make sure nothing has fallen back in there and keep me posted on what you find. Please note that we here at Just Answer are on an honor system. I am only credited for my time in the event you rate with 3 to 5 stars at the top. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need me.
Okay, I will rate you, but how do I get back in touch? Just resume this thread.
Yes, just resume here on this thread.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.